how to set up a Whop subscription. Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can set up a Whop subscription. So let's get started. Step 1. Sign up. Getting started is easy. Just visit whop.com and click the big orange sign up button on the home page. After entering your information, hit build your Whop located at the top right corner of the screen. Step 2. Create your WAP. You'll be redirected to the onboarding page. Click on Create a new organization, then enter a name. Don't worry, you can update it later. Next, describe how your WAP will deliver value to users. After a brief moment of setup, your WAP will be ready for you to start customizing. Step 3. Set your WAP as a subscription service. Once on your WAP dashboard, click Manage in the top right, followed by Manage Pricing. This enables subscription-based setup. Click plus add pricing option on the right-hand panel that appears. Select paid, then click continue. After that, choose subscription. Step 4. Customize your subscriptions. Now it's time to define how your subscription will work. Set a price and choose your preferred default currency. Use subscription period to define the access duration per payment. Stock lets you cap the number of subscribers. Enable add free trial to allow a free usage period. Add initial fee if you like an upfront charge. Enable split pay to let customers unlock lifetime access after a set number of payments. Use add waitlist to limit access to approved users. Enable offer discount to retain canceling users with a special offer. Finally, choose whether your subscription should be public or private. Step 5. Add apps to your Whop subscription. Click Edit Apps at the top of your screen to begin adding features. Then choose Add New App. Apps are what subscribers will access. There's a wide variety available, and you can even customize them using HTML. You can add things like courses, digital goods, files, exclusive content, Discord access, web apps, and much more. That's it, and thanks. I'll catch you all in the next video.